So, why is beekeeping so important?
Well, beekeeping is really important because we need it for the environment. If we don't have bees, we won't have food. They're the first part of the food chain for pollination. If we don't pollinate the apples, you won't get apples. So it really is important that we have bees and we encourage the next generation to become beekeepers. A lot of beekeepers are my age and a little bit older, but we seem to be missing the gap. And this is where the BU and Our Bright Future comes in, enables us to deliver competent courses for new beekeepers and then mentor them thereafter as they need.
This is our 5th project now around bees. I think Blackburne House is becoming known as all things bee. And we wanted to really just extend our experience and our reach. And one area that we weren't reaching were young people, and they are the environmental entrepreneurs of the future. So we really, really want to attract young people to do urban beekeeping, but also linking it straight through to enterprise skills. Age group 17 to 24 is the ideal. The course entails theoretical and practical beekeeping. So it's all the theory around why, the habitat, etc. as well, how to keep them well and healthy, but also actually getting into the hive and seeing how it works as well, which I think is really important. Dispelling the myth about what a bee sting is like. You are protected. We will supply you with all of the kit. One of the great things about this project is that all of the costs are covered by Our Bright Future. So no young person will have to be out of pocket to learn how to be a beekeeper or how to be a local social entrepreneur too.
What are the advantages of keeping bees? Why would I want to be a beekeeper?
Well, one thing is really exciting to keep bees. It's fascinating watching them coming in with the pollen and going back out. And also the reward at the end of it, you've got pure local honey. And there's other products that you get from it, which is propolis, which is antibacterial, anti-infectious, and the wax where you can make wax candles and furniture polish. So the rewards are really enormous.
When I met Martin about 3 years ago, he'd been beekeeping for about 3 years at that point, and he had, I think it was 10 hives. He now has 40. So he's made a business himself out of that, but we've also supported him in how to become a teacher too. And it's definitely something that we want to do for the young people to really help them take it that step further into being entrepreneurs.